Welcome to our video on Microsoft 365 Copilot. In today's fast-paced business environment, productivity is key. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an innovative solution that uses AI and machine learning to help improve productivity in the workplace. In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into the features and benefits of Copilot and how it can revolutionize the way you work. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a professional in the field, or simply curious about the latest trends in technology, our channel has something for you. By subscribing to AI Topia, you'll gain access to a world of cutting-edge technology, innovative ideas, and industry insights. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI-powered productivity tool designed to help users work smarter and more efficiently. As an introduction, you can highlight how Copilot is built on machine learning algorithms, which allow it to understand user behavior and preferences to provide personalized recommendations for tasks such as composing emails, scheduling meetings, and more. Additionally, Copilot is equipped with natural language processing capabilities, also known as NLPs, enabling users to interact with the tools using voice commands or typed messages. One of the key features of Copilot is its ability to integrate seamlessly with Microsoft 365 apps, including Outlook, Word, and PowerPoint. This integration allows Copilot to suggest relevant content or templates based on the context of the user's work. For example, when writing an email, Copilot may suggest a relevant template or provide recommendations for the email's content based on the recipient's past behavior. Another significant feature of Copilot is its ability to adapt to the user's work style and provide tailored recommendations. Copilot can learn from the user's past behavior, such as the way they organize their inbox or the types of documents they frequently create, and provide personalized suggestions to help streamline their workflow. Now that we've discussed the key features of Microsoft 365 Copilot, let's dive into how it can specifically benefit teams and organizations in terms of collaboration and productivity. One of the key benefits of using Microsoft 365 Copilot is its ability to provide personalized recommendations to users. Copilot uses machine learning algorithms to analyze an individual's work patterns and provide customized suggestions to improve productivity. For example, Copilot can analyze an employee's email and calendar usage and provide recommendations for more efficient scheduling and communication. Additionally, it can analyze document usage patterns and suggest relevant templates or suggest edits based on previous usage. Furthermore, Microsoft 365 Copilot uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand user queries and provide relevant responses. With NLP, users can easily search for files, emails, or other information using natural language queries. Copilot can even provide suggested responses to emails, saving users time and improving communication efficiency. The integration with other Microsoft 365 apps is another key feature of Copilot. Users can access Copilot directly from their Microsoft Teams account, and it seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft apps such as Outlook, Word, and Excel. This integration allows users to easily access and utilize the personalized recommendations and NLP capabilities within their everyday work. With its personalized recommendations and NLP capabilities, Microsoft 365 Copilot has already proven to be a useful productivity tool. However, how does Copilot ensure the security and privacy of users' data? Microsoft 365 Copilot's personalized recommendations feature is designed to help users optimize their work by providing tailored recommendations based on their usage patterns. This feature takes advantage of machine learning algorithms that analyze user behavior patterns and generate suggestions for improving productivity. For instance, if a user consistently spends a significant amount of time on a particular task, Copilot can recommend automating that task to save time and increase efficiency. Additionally, Copilot can identify areas where a user might need additional training or support and provide helpful resources. The personalized recommendations feature is particularly useful for users who may not be familiar with all the capabilities of Microsoft 365. By analyzing a user's usage patterns, Copilot can identify areas where they might benefit from additional training or education on how to use a specific tool or features within Microsoft 365. The feature can also recommend relevant content and resources, such as training videos or support articles, to help users become more proficient and efficient in their work. As a result, the personalized recommendations feature can help users save time and increase their productivity by automating tasks, improving workflow processes, and providing targeted training and support. By leveraging the power of AI and machine learning, Microsoft 365 Copilot can help users become more proficient and efficient in their work. How does Microsoft 365 Copilot's personalized recommendations feature help users optimize their work and increase productivity? And what are some of the resources it can recommend to help users improve their skills? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Benefits of using Microsoft 365 Copilot for small businesses. Copilot's personalized recommendations and natural language processing can help small businesses improve their productivity and efficiency, while minimizing the time and resources required for training employees on complex software systems. Additionally, Copilot's integration with other Microsoft 365 apps can help small businesses streamline their workflows and better manage their projects. Small businesses face numerous challenges, including limited resources, intense competition, and a need to maintain a high level of productivity to remain profitable. Microsoft 365 Copilot can help small businesses overcome these challenges, providing an intelligent assistant that understands their needs and provides personalized recommendations to improve their workflow. One of the key benefits of using Copilot for small businesses is that it minimizes the need for extensive training. Copilot's natural language processing means that employees can communicate with the system in the same way that they would with a human colleague, making it intuitive and easy to use. Furthermore, Copilot's integration with other Microsoft 365 apps means that small businesses can use the platform to streamline their workflows, manage their projects, and collaborate more effectively. With all of these benefits, it's clear that Microsoft 365 Copilot is a powerful tool for small businesses. But how does it enhance collaboration? Collaborative work is critical to business success, and Microsoft 365 Copilot can help teams work together more effectively. The platform provides a range of features designed to enhance collaboration, such as file sharing, real-time editing, and team communication tools. With Copilot, team members can work on the same document simultaneously and see each other's changes in real time. The platform also allows teams to communicate via chat or video calls without leaving the app, making it easier to stay connected and collaborate efficiently. Furthermore, the natural language processing capabilities of Copilot make it easy to understand what each team member is working on and what their contributions are to the project. Effective collaboration is essential for any team, and Microsoft 365 Copilot can help teams work together more efficiently. With its advanced collaboration features, Copilot can help teams stay connected, communicate more effectively, and work on projects more efficiently. For example, Copilot's real-time editing and file sharing features allow team members to work together on the same document at the same time, eliminating the need for multiple versions of the same document. Now that we've discussed how Microsoft 365 Copilot can enhance collaboration, let's move on to another critical aspect of the platform: how it can be used by businesses. Copilot can help businesses save time and increase productivity by automating routine tasks, providing personalized recommendations, and streamlining collaboration across teams. It can also help businesses reduce errors and improve the quality of their work by providing context-specific suggestions and corrections. Copilot can help businesses of all sizes and industries, from small startups to large corporations. One of the biggest benefits of Copilot is that it can help businesses save time and increase productivity. By automating routine tasks and providing personalized recommendations, Copilot can help employees work more efficiently and focus on higher-value tasks. Additionally, by streamlining collaboration across teams, Copilot can help businesses break down silos and improve communication. Another benefit of Copilot is that it can help businesses reduce errors and improve the quality of their work. By providing context-specific suggestions and corrections, Copilot can help employees avoid mistakes and produce higher-quality work. This can be especially important in industries like finance, healthcare, and legal, where accuracy is critical. Will Microsoft 365 Copilot be widely used in the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Copilot uses AI machine learning algorithms to understand how users work with files, and then provides personalized recommendations on how to manage them more efficiently. For example, it can suggest which files to delete, which ones to share, and which ones to keep on hand for future reference. This can help users save time and be more productive. Another way Copilot can help with file management is by using natural language processing to understand the content of documents. This can help users find specific information quickly and easily, even if they don't remember the name of the document or where it's saved. For example, if a user needs to find a presentation they worked on a few months ago, they can ask Copilot to find the presentation about the new product launch, and it will pull up the relevant document. The file management capabilities of Copilot can also help with collaboration. Copilot can suggest which files to share with whom, based on the user's past behavior and work patterns. It can also help ensure that everyone is working on the latest version of a document by alerting users when a new version is available. Are you tired of manually analyzing data and creating charts and graphs in Excel? Let AI take care of it for you. In our next video, AI Analytics and Visualization with Excel, we'll show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to automate data analysis and visualization in Excel.